Hello boys and girls, we're going to do a little shape review today to get ready for our test tomorrow. Now a couple of these pages we're not going to be able to do because you don't have any shapes at home, so we're going to kind of adjust them a little bit and kind of do some drawing on those pages instead of actually using your shapes to sort. But this page on the front we can do. We're talking today about how these 2D shapes we've learned, like triangle, rectangle, circle, square, and even hexagon, how they're alike and how they're different. And the shapes all have different numbers of sides and vertices. Now there's a few shapes that have the same number of sides and vertices, and some that have different sides and vertices. So first thing we're going to do is kind of just pick out the different shapes. And we're going to color the shapes on this page according to a code, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is get out a green crayon. Get out your green, and I want you to use your green crayon to color the shapes that have 4 vertices and 4 sides. So think about that. Which of these shapes have 4 sides and 4 vertices? You're going to use your green crayon to color all those. And if you need to hit pause anytime while we're doing this so you can finish your coloring, and then you can hit play and come back when you're ready to move on. After you've colored all the shapes with 4 sides and 4 vertices green, I want you to get a blue crayon out. And I want you to use your blue to color the shapes you see that have a curve. Which of these shapes here below have a curved line? They're made up of a curved line. Color all those shapes with a curve blue. When you're done with that, I want you to get out a red. And I want you to use your red crayon to color all the shapes with 3 sides and 3 vertices. Use your red to color the shapes you see that have 3 sides and 3 vertices. When you've got all your shapes colored, you can turn to the next page. These are the pages we're going to kind of do on our own since we don't have shapes at home. This page says alike and different. Okay, I want you to think for just a minute about your shapes. And on this side, the side that says alike, I want you to draw any shapes you can think of that do have sides and vertices. A shape has sides and it has vertices. I want you to draw it on this side that says alike. But if it does not have sides or vertices, if it's made up of a curved line, I want you to draw that shape on this side. Okay, so all the shapes with lines, sides, and vertices, you're going to draw over here. And the shape that has a curved line, you're going to draw on this side. Okay. On the next page, we're going to do something a little different. This says alike and different, so we're going to choose a different attribute. This time, on the side that says alike, I want you to draw the shapes you know that have 4 sides and 4 vertices. And then on this side, I want you to draw any shapes you know that have a different number or do not have 4 sides and 4 vertices, okay? So think about that. Which shapes have we learned that have 4 sides and 4 vertices? And which shapes have we learned that do not have 4 sides and 4 vertices? That might take you a minute to do those 2 pages, so you can hit pause if you need to. And we're going to turn on the back when we're done, okay? Right here by the red apple. It says, I have a curve. What shape am I? So I want you to draw in this box the shape that we learned about that has a curve. And then down here at the bottom, by the yellow sun, on this side, I want you to draw the shapes we learned about that have a curve. And on this side, I want you to draw the shapes we've learned about that do not have a curve, that have no curve. Now, it would be a good idea today to go back over your shapes we've learned, maybe look back through your workbook pages that you've not turned in yet. Think about circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, and hexagons. How many sides they have, if they have sides, how many vertices. Think about those different shapes. Think about what we've talked about to tell the difference between a square and a rectangle, because tomorrow My video is going to be going through your test over shapes together, okay? I need you to try to do it all on your own. Do your best work, so kind of go back over all your shapes today so you're ready for the test. I'll see you tomorrow.